Quick view here. It is Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. I refinished this artwork, which I thought was already finished a while ago. I added 6 objects. The plastic toy of like a monster I picked up on the sidewalk somewhere, pavement, wherever, street. A broken like paintbrush handle, and these 4 children's toy things. There. All right, there you have it. Under the Citing the Human Rights Art Series Artwork 57, 2 child victims of the adult-driven Israeli-Palestinian conflict without end. In the drawing, the allegorical sea monsters, and a photograph I took on a road trip from Tel Aviv to the Dead Sea background. Might have been 1999 or 2002, I forget which. All right, and there's some like seaweed I picked up on the beach, swimming by Tel Aviv. I went swimming there once. There's also other detritus, like broken pavement markers from the streets, avenues in Seattle, meant to be like allegorical lobster voracious monsters, like their mouths. All right, there you have it. The girl was Jewish Israeli, slain by Hamas October 7th, 2023. The boy was Gazan, and he died in the Israeli retaliation attacks, which have been going on ever since. All right, there you have it.